Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at the gold market. So yesterday, we said that we probably need to get some more signs of the bearish action before taking the position. Market just collapsed within a few hours, and that price action that a bit confused us because market shows really shy reaction on the XLP target major resistance. Once the 3-drive sell has been completed on the follow time frame chart, it also was very flat reaction, and that was confused us. This is the reason why we said that, well, let's wait for a bit more productive action to the downside before making the chance to go short. So if you was able to catch this downward drop, well, that's really great. But currently, for those of you who have missed this opportunity, don't be upset with that. We're just will be watching for a pullback, some retracement that could let us to take the short position. So this collapse return us back to this major scenario that we have on the daily chart. Sell-off is really very good. The upside pullback to the COP target was finished at the acceptable area of the resistance, so that was the 618 level of the recent leg down, so this is normal. But the sell-off that has followed engulfed, as you can see, 3 previous sessions, and it's really very significant action. That's why we could talk about the same large ABCD patient with the target approximately 1260 area, 1258. So this completion of the ABCD patient, that's the destination point that market should follow, at least if it is bearish. At the same time, guys, this recent drop is also brings great assistance to us and special meaning, because what really we have on the market: extension mode, contraction, retracement, ABCD, extension right to the COP target, retracement, reaction on the COP, and now we're standing in the same extension. So if somehow market will start to show some signs of erasing of this drop, some acceleration to the upside, some rally coming closer to the top, that will be not normal price behavior in the current circumstances. We have the minor COP target, 1 leg retracement is enough. Big sell-off suggests that continuation of the downward major tendency, and erasing of this drop could mean something different. So that's also the moment that we should keep an eye on. Meantime, as market stands quiet and drop was really tremendous, we're just watching for our major scenario. So this probably should get some continuation on the next week as well. On the 4-hour time frame chart, we also have smaller ABCD patient that, in fact, the CD leg on the daily chart. So the CD leg on the daily finished right at the 1260, but this ABCD patient finished at 1267. So we're very close to each, to the same target. So we have the AB equals CD patient. Also, somewhere around 1286 will be the COP minor extension. As you can see, here the CDL extends with the acceleration down, minor flag pattern is forming here, some pause and downward action. And what is also interesting is that we could use also extension of this retracement. XA swing, it's 127 extension stands at the same area, 1269, very close to the OP. So that will be our major target. We will use a bit faded target, so because slightly higher than the daily. On the daily it's approximately $7 lower, but we focus on a bit higher target, just get the guarantee of the possible close of the position if we will get the short position here. So we can't speak about the butterfly because this low stands below this one, so we do not have this swing inside of that one. Otherwise, if these lows would be a bit higher, we could speak about the butterfly pattern as well. So now what we could do, currently the collapse has happened, it's better to wait for some pullback. currently I wouldn't talk about any long position because we don't have any clear bullish patterns in place. It's even opposite situation when we have big collapse. Now we should keep an eye on the possible pullback. It just has started, so probably the two levels that we could keep an eye on. First, the 1295. Next one will be a confluence resistance around 1297 or 1298, and 13 even 1299. So somewhere in this area, it also coincides with the monthly pivot point. So you can see, despite this good rally to the upside, as soon as our free drive pattern has been completed, market collapsed miserably. So free drive target also has been completed because market dropped significantly below the bottom between second and third drive. That was the minimal target of this pattern. So currently we're watching for two levels of the pullback that could give us a chance to go short. Maybe we'll get kind of the Gartner's triple to sell pattern. So that's what we'll be watching for on the gold market. So you can see market dropped below the monthly pivot. Right now stands at the weekly pivot. Dropping back to this area. Overall price action stands very, very slow. So that's why currently I wouldn't speak about taking any long position and just waiting for good stuff for possible taking the short. And it seems that the confidence resistance around the 13 even 1298 should be good moment, good area where the market could reestablish downward action. It will be just perfect if we will get a kind of the ABC retracement, maybe Gartner's triple to sell pattern as well. So that's approximately that we could keep an eye on gold market.